Somebody needs to come in here. Hey.
Yeah, it's really grown up.
Oh man. That's what somebody needs to do. I wish they would manage. They used to. I don't think they put it in their budget anymore. That's because he doesn't think there's really anybody, because they used to back in the day have somebody in charge of the swan range. And it's not, well, actually sometimes it's not two people for the swan range, 2 people for the mission, and their job was to go and check the trails out, cut everything, or if areas, you know, if there's a down, and 2 of them if they couldn't do it.
This is I have to bend my knees to get out of here. Whew, man. Wow, that was thick. Grouse flying. Those crazy critters. Going into the Narnia. Here we go. Ooh, going above Narnia. Gonna get wet. Ooh. Oh goodness. Oh wow. Oh. Got about a mile through this Narnia patch until we hit the actual trail, which hopefully we'll see won't be as bad as this. But for right now, we're getting really wet. But my honey is taking most of the hit. Unfortunately. Hi, my honey. Ah, there's one lake down there. That's the beaver lake. That's where the beaver likes to hang out. Crazy beavers. Look at that beaver tree. Actually, this isn't bad right here, which is nice.
Are you recording?
Yeah. I'm recording through the...
Oh yeah, this is the pretty section.
Through the thimbleberry
I love it.
patch.
This is my favorite, one of my favorites.
Bunch of thimbleberries.
That's the dog.
You gotta watch out for the toe getters.
Oh, there's one there.
A small one?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Oh yeah. Whew. Oh goodness.
Did you find it?
No, a different one.
You used to walk on that log, remember?
I know.
But now it's so broken down. Ooh, this is nasty. I think Dad still does it. You guys, it's cool how it looks. Oh man, that would be cool if you could sit right there. I know. Sit there and take a picture. It
Goes all the way to the bottom.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, I think that's it. Wow.
Ooh,
It is.
pollen heaven.
Oh, deer track. Man, that is nasty. Is that just calling. Ew.
Oh man,
That is a mess.
that looks lovely.
Ew, look at these. This is probably gonna be the. This is gonna be the nastiest.
Ew.
Here's a. What is critter trap? Oh. Deer, something else.
Deer, something?
Something.
Kitty or puppy or something?
Deer. I didn't think about it. It's probably gonna be harder to.
Here's one of the first lakes.
Ooh, there's some sort of
Oh, what is it?
puppy.
Oh yeah. You can see it a little bit.
Or is it a mountain lion? What is it? No. Isn't that the
I think that's
what do you think?
a dog.
Then you're gonna have to use phone.
Have to get some more batteries. Make 2 batteries or so. The creek down there. Going up into some more flowers. Had to keep going, otherwise you get eaten by mosquitoes.
This used to be their feeding ground.
This is Marmot Town. At least used to be. No squeaking. Squeak, squeaker, squeak, squeaking.
They lay on the
Squeak!
on that big one. Here we go, folks.
Some Indian paintbrushes. Really pretty. Those ones are for my sister.
Maybe they went the wrong way.
Going up, nickname 460 Hill. You gotta put it in 4-wheel drive and just to cruise up this hill, as it's pretty steep, as you can tell. My Henny's up there, and you probably can tell by my breathing. Whoo-wee, chewy. Slow and steady though. Just get up the hill here, then it kind of flattens out to one of the bigger lakes in a little bit, but the view is really pretty. We got down below, we saw, oh wow, this is the second,
That's fresher.
this is the second bear dig up. We just gotta keep our eyes peeled. Watch out for them bears. Doing some log crossing here. Woo!
In here. Got some and bring some home for my mom. I could.
That would be...
Look at this little frog.
What?
Little frog.
No, froggy.
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
He hid. Uh-oh. Oh, look at the ducks.
Are there ducks in the lake?
They're popping up. Now they're swimming away. See them?
Oh, there's some ducks.
See? Two of them were underneath water and
Oh.
then they got up and started swimming.
Here's another lake here that we're gone to. Pretty up there on that mountain up there. The skeeters are kind of crazy though.
Melted not too far. Look at all the... Oh, snow!
Snow?
Snow!
Oh, we hit our first patch of snow here. Oh, she's touching the snow. She touched the snow. It's cold. Cold snow. We've seen quite a few elk tracks and a couple bear tracks. Of course, with that bear digging up of the roots. Two of those. Lots of pretty flowers. It's like, oh, geez. Oh man, almost ate it. That was a toe getter. Are you laughing?
This one needs to be in the middle. Do we have to be on that side? Go down it. I don't remember which side we stay on. You go up that way or where do we go?
Well, I think we stay on the left side of this waterfall thing.
And then we go across, right?
Yeah. But usually it's dry.
Yeah. Maybe we'll go right here.
Oh, wait, no, over here, my honey. Over here. I think. Boy, this last little bit up the hill to this lake was a little bit of a slog. It is a little bit brutal, but boy, this is worth it. Beautiful. Got a little waterfall here on the outlet of this lake. And we have beautiful views right here. Oh wow! Eagle! Here we go. We are up here. Here we are. Beautiful lake. A little chilly. The sun is behind the clouds. But we made it. Took about 2 hours and 40 minutes. Eventually, we'll get over there to the other side of the lake. We made it to the other side of the lake. Did a little bit of fishing along the shore and just didn't catch a whole lot. There was a couple small ones that weren't worth keeping at this point. But we're just making our way to the other side of the lake where there's a nice flat rock that you can rest on, set our stuff down to dry, maybe set our stuff up to dry. It's got squishy socks, which is lovely, but it's really pretty back here. It's a pretty view from the other side. There's Swan Peak in the background. Barely any snow up there. Wow. Nice little creek coming into Bimaheny. We're going over to fish on that point over there.
Pardon it?
Reeling in a fish. She's reeling in a fish.
See what type of fish.
Let's see. What is it? I'm gonna get above you.
Looks like a decent
Ooh.
size one. Let's see. I want a little bit fatter, probably.
Yeah, that one's throwback one.
He's close though.
You caught one.
Oh, he came off.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
We went all the way around the lake. So that side of the lake is rocks and was a little bit difficult to get around, but not too bad. And usually there's a trail here, but it's a little steep up this chute. It doesn't look like it, but it is pretty steep. And there's my honey. It's about waist deep. You just got to keep going.
Oh, I feel like I'm going down.
Well, we made it through Narnia. About a mile through Narnia, man. It's thick. But we made it back. The dogs are barking. We're going to get in the vehicle and head back to the house and hopefully have some cheeseburgers. It'll be delicious. Thanks for following along. Hopefully you had a good time on the trail. And remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for hiking with the Hardys today. Have a good day.